Finding the perfect outfit can be a struggle, especially if you're a plus size woman. But with JV culture, you can have it all: comfort and style. Our designs are made with fabrics that drape beautifully and comfortable fits that flatter every curve. So whether you're looking for an everyday look or a special occasion outfit, JV culture has got you covered. So why settle for less? Embrace your curves and celebrate your body with JV culture. So first of all, I added a picture as a new project. There's this picture I have in my phone. So I added this one as a new project to make the background. Then I clicked on ratio and picked 16:9 because that's the size I want. So I now adjusted the photo. I zoomed it in so it can fit the screen. Then I extended the photo to the duration that I want it to be. So I took it to 35 seconds. So after that, I clicked on audio and clicked on record to record my audio. So I actually made a script for the video. So I went ahead to record my audio. The reason why I recorded my audio first is because I want to use the audio to be putting in the picture and also for the auto caption. So after recording my audio, I'm not going to show you the full process of the recording. So after recording my audio, I went ahead to adjust it and cut out the excess parts of the audio. As you can see, that's what I'm doing right here. So I adjusted the audio to fit into the duration of the video. So after doing that, I went ahead to do my auto caption. So I click on text and click on auto caption, click on start. So it took few seconds for the auto caption to generate. So after the auto caption generated, I started adjusting the auto captions to make sure that there are no errors and all. So this is how it comes. So I went ahead to click on style. Then I first of all changed the font. I clicked on style. I changed the style. I changed the color to the one I want. So after changing the color, I went ahead to change the font. So I picked this stylish font right here. So after changing the font, I adjusted the size. So I wanted it to be bold so people can see while they watch the video, they can read through while the video is going on. So I started adjusting each of the badges one after the other. As you can see, that's what I'm doing here. So I can actually increase it so for it to be bold. That's what I did. So I did this for each and every of the badge one after the other. Remove the errors, adjusted it, and increased the size till I got to the end. I did this for each and every of the badge. So what I did here, I wanted the brand name to be different from the other words. So I highlighted the brand name and changed the font. I want it to look totally different. So I highlighted it first, then clicked on font and changed the font to another font. I picked this font. As you can see, it's looking different from the other words. So after changing the font, I wanted it to have shadow so it looks really different. So I clicked on style and clicked on shadow, then picked the color that I want the shadow to be. So I picked black, increase the opacity, change the angle because I want it to come downwards. Then I increase the distance a little bit. As you can see, it's looking different. So I want it to be separated from the other because looking too close. So I went on to uncheck the apply to auto caption so it doesn't apply to all of them. What I want to do now. So I clicked on spacing and reduce the line so it's separated, looks separated. As you can see, that's what it is now. So I did this, I adjusted each and every of the auto captions. Remember, I unchecked that apply to all, so that shadow and the spacing I did does not affect the others, as you can see. So I made sure to change the brand name, each of the place that has the brand name. I highlighted it and added the changed the font, added the shadow, and did the spacing. So I did this for each and every place that has the brand name. After doing that, I adjusted each and every of the caption to the end. So it was time to start adding my picture. So I clicked on sticker and picked the first picture. So I've already removed the background from my pictures. So this is the first picture I added. So I put this one, this lady, this shabby lady that's looking like she's thinking about something, because the beginning of the video said finding it difficult, finding the perfect outfit. That's what the beginning of the video says. So I use this lady that looks like she's thinking about what to wear. So after adding it, so I made sure I remove the background from each and every of my pictures. So after adding the lady, I still went on to adjust the auto caption so it looks nice. So after adjusting it, I increased it a little bit, position it very well. Then I went on to add my next sticker. So I the next sticker is a thinking cloud. So I've already removed the background. This is what it is. I've added it. So I'm adjusting it fit into where I want it to be. So this is how it looks like, a thinking cloud. I position it above her head. So it looks like she's actually thinking about something. So after putting the thinking cloud, I went ahead to click on sticker again to add what she's thinking about. So I added the pictures of the ladies that are wearing the beautiful outfit. I added two. This is the first one, and I added the other one. So I reduced the size so it can fit in to the thinking cloud. So I adjusted the first one, adjusted the second one, and position it in the thinking cloud. So I position it, as you can see, this is that's what I'm doing right now. I positioned the first lady in the thinking cloud and positioned the second lady in the thinking cloud. So it looks like, this is what the lady is actually thinking about. So after doing that, I make sure to adjust each of them because I don't want them to come in at the same time. So I went on to add animation. So for the lady that is thinking, I didn't add in animation, I only add out when she's going out. So I added the bounce out. Then for the thinking cloud, I added, so what I'm doing here, I'm adjusting it so it's the same duration with the lady that is thinking. So after that, I clicked on the thinking cloud, added click on animation, added the spring in, then for the out, I added bounce out. So I did that for each and every one of them that is there. For the ladies that are inside the thinking cloud, for the animation, I added for in, so it springs in, then when it's going out, it's bounce out. So after that, I played it to see how my pictures look like. So I went ahead to add animation to the auto captions. So I highlighted the first one and clicked on style to edit. Then I checked the apply to auto caption. So I applied to all of the auto captions. Then I clicked on animation and picked the blur wipe left. So after picking the blur wipe left, I adjusted the duration so it comes in really fast, it doesn't delay. So that's for the in. So for the out, I picked elastic telescopic 2 for the out. So that's for when it's going out. So it's applied to each and every of the auto caption. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Then this is how it looks like when it's going out. So it's time to add the next picture. So I clicked on sticker, then I clicked on this right here to add the next picture. The next auto caption says if you're a plus size woman. So this is the picture I picked as my plus size woman. So I adjusted it a little bit. Then as you can see, she's actually on top of the text. She's actually on top of the text. So what I did, I highlighted the text and clicked on style to edit. Then I unchecked the apply to all auto caption because I want to adjust this auto caption so it doesn't apply to the others, doesn't affect the others. So I reposition the text, then I position her very well. Then I make sure I adjusted the text I did what I need to do so it looks nice. Then after rearranging them, then I increased the size a little bit. So what this thing I did not affect the others because I unchecked the apply to all. So after doing that, I went on to adjust the picture so it's the same duration with the text that says plus size woman. So I clicked on it and added animation. For the in, I added spring. For the out, I added bounce out. So that's for that. Then I played it to see how it looks like. Then I went on to adjust the picture a little bit. I actually increased the size, then position it very well so people can actually see that she's a plus size woman. Then after doing that, I played the video to see how it looks like. Then I moved to the next one. I clicked on sticker again to add my next picture. The next picture I added is this one, the two plus size women wearing the beautiful outfit. I positioned them where I want them to be. Then I clicked on the text. Then I adjusted the text, positioned it very well. I made sure that the sticker fits into the two patches of text because I want the picture to depict the that particular badge, the two badge. So I added animation as well. It spring in and the bounce out. So it springs in and bounce out. So the next I moved on to the next. I did this for each and every of the pictures I added. I just clicked on the picture. I clicked on sticker, add the picture that I want to add, and make sure you remove the background from your pictures because I've already removed my background. I didn't show it in this video because it's going to make the video too long. So I made sure I removed the background from each and every of my pictures before I started adding them. So I added this lady and I added this beautiful dress. I positioned it at the other side, positioned the lady at the other side. Then the text, I positioned the text in between them because the text is not too long. So I make sure it fits in to the middle of the lady that's wearing the beautiful outfit and the dress. So I also added animation to the dress and also added animation to the beautiful lady. So it springs in and bounce out. I did this for each and every of the pictures that was added to this video. Put the pictures, put the animation, position it very well and did that. Then I moved on to the next. So the next auto caption says or a special occasion outfit. So I went on to pick a very beautiful dress. So I clicked on sticker, click on that, then I added this dress. So I actually repositioned the dress and adjusted it to the part where that auto caption is that says or a special occasion outfit. As you can see, I reposition it, place it very well. After doing that, I also adjusted the auto caption, adjusted it very well. Then I moved on to the next. I actually did this for each and every one. Remember, I always add my animation to each and every of the pictures that was added so it springs in and bounce out. So I did this for each and every of the picture until I got to the last one. The last one, the animation I added was actually different. So let me show you how I did the last one. So for the last picture, after adding it, I repositioned it, I adjusted it, increased the size and put it at the left side of the video, reposition it very well. Then I went on to add animation. So I clicked on animation and picked the slide right. So it slides in like this. So I made sure to adjust it to the duration of the auto caption. So the auto caption has an out animation. So I clicked on it to remove the out animation because the end of the video it's not supposed to go out. So I removed the out animation from the auto caption. So I removed the excess part of the video, splitted and deleted the excess part of the video. So I went ahead to add some fun display. I clicked on sticker and screw down to this right here. Then I picked this one and also picked this one. So I added the one that looks like a sliding on the brand name. I added that one on the brand name. Then the one that looks like an infinity display, I adjusted it, I reduced it and added it to the pictures so it looks nice. As you can see, this is how it looks like. So I went on to the part that has the brand name again. I clicked on sticker and picked this one right here that slides like this. So I added it to the brand name. So when the name comes in, it looks lovely on it. The font display, as you can see. So I went to the last one. I picked this one to add to the picture, then picked the other one to add to the brand name. So this is how it looks like. So I played it to see how it looks like. As you can see, it looks fun. So I adjusted the stickers so everything ends on the same duration. So after doing that, I went ahead to split the video at each point where a new picture comes in. So what I did, I took it to the part where a new picture comes in, I splitted it because I want to add transition to the video so it doesn't look boring, looks fun. So I took it to the part where a new picture comes in, I splitted it, took it to the part where a new picture comes in, splitted it. I did it till the end of the video. So after splitting the entire video, I went ahead to click on this right here to add a transition. So I added different transition at each point. So this is the first transition I added. So after adding all the transition, I'm going to play the video so you see how it looks like. You know, CapCut has different transition that can make your video look fun and interesting. So I picked different transition at each point to add to the video. So after adding all the transition, this is how the video looks like. So as you can see, the transition actually make the video look nicer. So I went ahead to add background sound. So I clicked on audio and clicked on sound. So I highlighted the voiceover and increased the volume. Then I went ahead to add a sound that I have in my phone. So I highlighted it and reduced the volume of the background sound. I went to the end of the video and splitted and deleted the excess part of the background sound. Then I exported my video.